Hey guys, it's me. I'm back with another reaction. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a how to make a edit on video star, but I'm gonna be using some QR codes, so be aware of it. So I'm gonna just go here. I'm gonna select my song and then make video, and then the number one thing you wanna do after you press make video is do the beats. So right here, I'm just gonna click split it. And I'm gonna get all of the pictures I can. I know I got a lot of pictures of the girl that I'm gonna be doing, but it's probably not even gonna fit. With a clapping noise, I'm just gonna press it. Right here, I might just cut it. So right here, I'm gonna press new. I'm gonna press import photo. I'm gonna press recent, and I'm just go up to the first photo of the girl that I'm gonna be doing. So import. After that, I'm gonna go here and just keep adding my photos in. So just watch me as I do it. I'm gonna choose the photos that I want to use, because if I choose some different photos, then it's gonna be in a different edit, and I don't want it to be like that. So I'm gonna go down to these now. I like this one so much. It's so beautiful. It's just too beautiful. It's gonna do that for a while, but once you keep doing that, you just gotta keep on doing it until you fill out all your spots. Next one, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one next, the one that I love, and that is up here. Let me show you guys. This is the one that I love, right here and right here. So I'm gonna just go here, and then for the last one, I'm gonna put my second one. But no, I choose this one already. I chose that. It's this one I was supposed to choose. And then for the last one, I was gonna do one of them up here. Like, I was gonna do this one. So, guys, I'm gonna start by going here. And when I go here, I'm gonna press new, multi-layer, 1, put my picture, then press QR code, import, yes. I'm gonna go to my recent, and first thing I wanted to choose was this one to see. See, it's gonna be that one as the first one. Create. Then for my second one, new, multi-layer, 1, yeah. I'm gonna go to the next one. Yes, fit. Okay. Create. I'm just gonna be putting in the QR codes. Then once I put in the QR codes, then I'm just gonna be next. Yes, fit. Okay. I'm just gonna use the QR codes because I really don't even have any time to do my own right now because I'm gonna leave soon. But yeah. Create. It's gonna turn out as good at it, but just take your time as you make good edits. Different edits, your own edits. Instead of using QR codes, it's not gonna be like you made it. Because you actually. So, to layer one. Wait, sorry. And for my last one, I'm gonna choose the one that I love, that I did at the bottom, which was this one. Create. And then once you've done that, it's gonna be finished, but you're not finished yet. Watch it. See if you need any change. Okay, this one. Okay, I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna do some changes. For this one, I'm gonna get some changes. So, I'm gonna import a different one. Like, I'm gonna import fit. Okay. See now. This one, I'm gonna change it also. Because it doesn't look right on it, so change, yes, fit, okay. I'm gonna keep changing it until it looks right, because create. This one looks better. I see now. This one has the same one as the other one, so I'm gonna change it. Although it looks good. So I'm just gonna fit. Create. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna change it. And this one, I'm gonna see if it needs change. Okay, let's look at the edit. This, I'm gonna change words. I'm sorry, y'all, but it's just that I'm gonna choose this. Okay. change most of my clips. No. I don't know what it did there, but it's not gonna do that on me. There. I want it to be like perfect. I want to beat this one to be a transition. I did this like multi times. I'm just gonna choose multi-layer next time I do it. So I'm gonna just choose this one for it. It better work this time because I want it to be perfect. No. I hate this. I be hating when it just does this and pull. There. Better. Oh my god, it turned out so good, but it was actually me and my friend. We were doing a dance off. Well, not a dance off, an edit off actually. I don't know how to call it, but she made the best edits. I'm gonna show you guys one of the edits she made. It was really good. It's up here somewhere. This. Oh my god, it's so good. So it is gonna be on the screen, or it will be in the description. You're probably gonna be your 5th edit when I finish mine. Nope. Actually, I just finished something good. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I just wanted to say thank you guys for everything. And bye.